What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. This car's gonna drive me nuts, huh? Perfect. All right, guys, we are back. Let me see if I can clean this camera off a little bit for y'all. Boom. So I'm on my way. You can see Apple CarPlay is working. I am driving. A couple of things that we got done on this car. One, went ahead and just got the lifetime alignment and got that done. So it's aligned, like we'll drive straight. It doesn't immediately pull like it was over to the right. Brakes are actually still good, though. You know how they want to upsell everything. They were like, you might need brakes here in the near future, and I'm like, all right, whatever, cool. Mechanically wise, though, runs good, no issues. And again, this one was really at auction because of bad paint, so whatever. But figured I'd take it on a little bit of a run, and I think tomorrow I'll break the buffer out, and we will get into, I'll cut it, I'll hit it with the sealer, and then we'll shine her up. And this thing looked like a brand new friggin' car. But, and then I said I wasn't gonna sell it. I said I was gonna keep it because I want like a cheap little economical car, but I found something else. And if I could sell this if I wholesale this to a dealer and I can get 17 for it, where I make a quick $4 and only have it for a couple of days, then bet. But if I don't get what I want, like right away, then I'll sit on it. I'll list it for like 18 or 20, and I'll get what I can get for it. Or if it doesn't sell, I'll keep the damn thing. I don't care. It runs good. Doesn't have any mechanical issues at this point. So should be fine. Overall, it's a little economical car. You hear all that road noise. It's like stuff I don't hear in the BMW. I hear exhaust in my BMW because I want to, but these are not the prettiest cars. There's the exact carbon copy of this one right in front of us, cutting over now. Let me cut myself over some more, and you can see that one right there. So, it's not the prettiest thing to look at. It almost looks like a retarded Jeep Cherokee, but whatever. But evidently it's getting good gas mileage. It doesn't suck at that. It's got cold AC, which awesome. And like I said, the CarPlay works good. The screen actually looks pretty decent resolution wise. Better than other ones I've seen. And like I said, she handles good. It drives good. Going 70 down the road. Not much. No real complaints. But now that she is, aligned, and I had a once-over on it, I am riding it. And I was debating leaving the BMW here. We'll talk about that soon, but the BMW's got to go to the shop, man. The air conditioning exhausted again, and I had just filled it, and then we talked about, I was starting to shoot a video because I was going to take care of it in Florida, but I couldn't get anybody to get it in. And then I called my PR rep at Carmax, and they were like, well, where are you at? And I was like, Texas. They were like, done. And they contacted the Carmax a little north of me here, and got it in. And now they got to replace the, they don't see any leak, but I guess they got under my dash. Like it ripped out a component or something in my dash, and we're able to look up and see that the evaporator was actually leaking coolant. So a little update for you there. So now, I still have the BMW with me. I won't take it into them until they get the part, which they said they would get the part on the 7th. So it depends on when you guys see this video. But being they don't work on the weekends, it probably won't get addressed until that following Monday, my guess. So we'll see what happens. Overall, if they can get the Petty Roosevelt tightened up and I can get this thing either sold or not, Or, you know, if the Petty Roosevelt's going to be in the shop for more than a week, I'll drive this back to Vegas and then I'll fly back out and get to Petty Roosevelt. That's probably what's going to happen. We'll see. But nice little pickup. I mean, you know, for what I paid for it. If you watch the first video, you know, for what I paid for it, not bad. And it's all because of paint. It's all because of like a hard water spot that they couldn't get out of the paint. I got a steal, if you ask me. Uh-oh, look at everybody stopping short. I hate that shit, man. But overall, she drives good, runs good, it's getting good gas mileage. No complaints from me there. We're gonna go link up with my dude Sly Beamer, Doug, my Texas real estate agent. We're gonna go chop it up, and I might end up going to a fucking World Series game. I don't know, man. You're gonna have to wait and see. We got some irons in the fire. We might end up going to the World Series, man. Craziness, absolutely craziness. You know, if I am going to the World Series, I'll probably either put a clip in here before I edit it and upload this, or I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. But needless to say, I'm enjoying the car. I'm not really a fan of cloth seats, but this is actually not uncomfortable for a little vehicle. I got room. I'm good. So, wanted to give you an update on it. I know I probably haven't posted anything on it right away. I'm on my way up to Crackerville. I mean, the Woodlands. And so I'm gonna pop my ass up there. That sounded really pop my ass up, huh? That sounded, yeah. Nope, I deserve all the roasting. I'm not gonna edit that out. I deserve all the roasting in the comments for that one. Pop my ass up out there. Alrighty. Oh man. Pause. Alright, with that said, I'm gonna go over here and make this run. Have me a few brewskis and some food because I'm fucking starving. Y'all seem to like it when my Boston comes out. Maybe I'll just drop the proper vernacular, my proper speak that I do as my non-committal accent, and just let the fucking Boston fly. Just be Boston TK all the fucking time. Fucking wicked pisser, bro. Oh my god. Can you tell I need to eat? I'm already loopy and shit. Oh man, don't tell me they're bringing, like, I know we were going to the Woodlands, but like, man, this is the woods. Oof. Anyways, we'll finish up when we get out of the car. Alright guys, that's going to do it for me. I was going to do like another walk around and I could show you guys the stuff on the paint. But I got a little progress there, so stay tuned. There is a separate video coming on that, on what, it's so stupid too. I don't know what it is that was on the paint, but what I used to get it off the paint is something that you would use to address like cuts and stuff in your house. Like if your kid came in with like a scraped elbow, you probably pour this shit on their elbow before you put a band-aid on it. Yeah, that in a DA, and now this thing looks fucking amazing. But anyways, I didn't finish this video. Like I had the video done and then I was like, F it. I had some other things that had popped up. If you've been watching my, what do you call it? The YouTube short today or my story on Instagram, then you know. Fun times. But I'm not going to get into that. We're going to be positive. Anyways, it's going to do it for me. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You guys evidently seem to like this little Hyundai, which is hilarious to me.
But this is getting more views than a Silverado. But I digress. Anyways, oh, Jesus Christ, if you can't tell, I'm on my way to bring this back to Nevada. And then, well, I'm going to be stopping at a ranch with some Marines in Dallas. And then, if I don't get stuck there, I got invited out. If you're on my, if you're a member, you already know about that. You've seen the video already. I got invited out by a couple of buddies of mine, or people that I've known over the years. These two Second Force Recon guys. So I'm gonna go out here and have some fun with these Marines. And if I don't get stuck here while you know, we're waiting on other stuff to happen with the Petty Roosevelt, which, by the way, there's a separate video. I don't know when you're gonna see that. I just went in the shop yesterday. My timeline with the videos are all screwed up, but anyways, there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I gotta be honest, I kind of like this little shit box. I do. It gets great gas mileage. I get like 40 miles to the gallon. It has no pickup. If I ever had to accelerate out into traffic, I'd probably be dead. But as just a regular driving car, pretty solid. But anyways, obviously I got my gear and my shit. We're going out here to go have fun and go play with some Marines. And then hopefully, if I don't get stuck here, I'll take this back to Nevada. If I do get stuck, I'll get the Petty Roosevelt out of the shop, and I'll probably leave it with Sly Beamer or Stitch or somebody I know here, and then I'll pop this out to Vegas, fly back, and then get the BMW. So still lots of stuff to do, man. Stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys very much for watching. Thanks for all the love and support. All kinds of content and more retarded antics coming soon.